What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Charting Crypto. Today we're going to go over Alchemy Pay, which is up 3.1% at 3.1 cents. $155 million market cap. Extremely small, guys. Not even close to the billion-dollar market cap that I believe it's going to obtain, billion-dollar plus. We have a circulating supply of 4.9 billion out of 99999 billion. So roughly half the coins are in circulation for Alchemy Pay. The all-time high was 3 years ago, last bull run at 19 cents. All-time low was also 3 years ago at 0.001. Alchemy Pay is available pretty much on any exchange. So if you want this coin, you can find it somewhere. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on Alchemy Pay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into Alchemy Pay. We had this drawn last time, the all-time fib from Binance right here. So Binance listed on 2022, and we actually smashed right into the 0.5 area right here and got rejected with a sell signal on the day chart. So the WTX, we got a sell signal on the day chart. The RSI is a little toppy. We're starting to roll over here. We haven't put it in a lower high yet, but the top's starting to roll over a little bit, similar to what happened back here in November 23rd to the 25th. Also, we have the MACD. Last 2 days, we've lost our bullish momentum right there. So there is the chance that Alchemy Pay is going back down to 2. I know you don't want to hear that. I know you don't want to hear that, but we were below that lifelong 382 for quite a while, from August all the way till November. So now that we smashed out of it, the likelihood of us coming back down and maybe test it one more time and put in a higher low is plausible. I mean, a lot of coins are retracing right now because Bitcoin, floated around with that $100,000 all-time high and is going to see a decent sized correction. I've covered that before in my live stream. So with that, altcoins are going to correct a little bit, and then altcoins are going to start running very hard. So what I currently am looking for here on the short term would be the Fibonacci from this high to this low, which if we just reset everything, start over fresh, if TradingView starts responding, there we go. We go from the high to the low. You can see we worked right down to the 786, then you have the 618, and then you have the 382. So on our ladder down effect, I would keep a heavy eye on the 2.5 cents for Alchemy Pay. We are overbought on all the indicators. So in my opinion, we're most likely going to see a retracement, guys. We most likely will see, but there's couple different areas. We could go like this, we could go like this, or the worst case scenarios like this. In my personal opinion, I think this would be the sweet spot right here, hitting the 618. That would allow your indicators to completely reset, allow you to cool down a little bit, stop by that moon juice factory, pick up a keg of moon juice, and then blast off to another high. So since November 5th, that's when we've been bullish, putting in our higher highs, higher low, higher high. See, we could actually come all the way back down here and put in a higher low and still be bullish. But realistically, what I would like to see is that 618 bounce right there. That 618 is a very powerful support area at 2.5. So I'm just going to say it now. I think ACH is most likely going back down to 2.5 before we start seeing our rally to some higher highs from that point on. So with that, none of this is financial advice. Keep an eye on that 2.5 cents. Write that on a sticky note, slap it on your forehead so you don't forget it. I think that's the price range we're going down to before we start rallying to some higher highs. With that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins that you would like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.